Hey guys, let's get ready. I'm going to do my second Halloween look. I'm nervous because I haven't tried it before. I don't know if it will turn out good. If not, that would be embarrassing. Starting with a nice foundation. Using brushes make me feel like an artist. Can you guess what look we're going for today? This is my Hello Kitty Halloween cup. The tea is too hot right now. Brows. Contour. I'm going to do all the basic steps before going to the scary part. Putting some of the contour color over the eyelid. Going with a muted blush. The embossment is rubbed flat, I'm trying to hit pan on it. Putting on a nude lip. I need to put this on first so this can dry up for later. Regular eyeliner first. Oh, it's almost out of ink. That's good for what I'm about to do. I messed the eyeliner up. This hasn't happened in a while. Gel eyeliner to tight line. I know it doesn't look good on me. Now we'll draw spider legs. I want the look of the legs going over my eyebrows. It's okay to make mistakes, you can clean up with a concealer. Both my liquid eyeliners are drying out, that's why the lines are so thick. I can't get ink out of the tip, it's drying up on the tip. Have to adjust it manually. Wait, I think this line needs to go more out. I've never seen a big spider up close, I don't know how their legs are supposed to look. I'm just wiping and adjusting here and there because I'm not sure how spider legs are supposed to grow. They grow how I want them to grow. I think this one should be changed. Now the lips. Now we use grey eyeshadow to create shadows. Now we're going to draw white highlights. We can put highlights on the high points of the spidey legs and on the thick parts. It took me really long to do this look because I kept making mistakes, wiping over and over again. I'm already unmotivated thinking of how long I will need to edit this video. think grey lenses makes it look more scary. Celestial grey. The weather suddenly changed by 20 degrees, so I caught a cold. I love how the look turned out. Thank you for keeping up with me.